And we're back, part 2 for the Kenilworth episode with the Built for Off-Road crew. This episode is probably the best one out of the 2-part mini-series.
How's that? Getting the good angles.
Enjoy the episode. Here we go.
Day driving today.
Day 2, mate. I am excited. I've had a fresh dip in the creek, which you'll see in the Built for Off-Road episode. It was good. I had to go and collect a drone out of the creek. So that's all good. We're just going a little bit deeper into Kenilworth, see what we can find. There's a few cool scenic drives, maybe a couple of hill climbs.
Ones that aren't fenced off.
Yeah, boy. So let's get into it. Enjoy the rest of the episode. Let's do it. How is the view up here?
This has got really, really bad view. Before it was great. Go back to the good view. Oh.
This is amazing. First little hill climb of today, and it is epic. Look at that. We just went down a pretty cool hill, a few little rock steps, and we're going to go up it. You'll be able to see the airbags in action on this one. It's going to be sick. Right up there. Just that little track.
Got a cool little track for you a bit later on. A couple of little wombats up a nice little hill.
Whereabouts was that?
There's one just over this side here, quite nice. We'll get you there.
Yep.
And then there is another one that I reckon if we can find it, you're not getting up it.
I love the face. Yes.
Oh my God, what happened?
What is going on here?
I don't understand. I can see me seeing you, seeing me.
Oh my Lord.
Oh.
Magical. I'll have a passion fruit, Benny. Yes, bro. Thank you. You want lychee, big boy?
No, give me a different one. Lychee.
Okay, that one.
What's this one?
Passion
fruit. Coconut water?
I'll try it.
Yeah? What do you like? Passion fruit, lychee, or natural?
Lychee?
Yep.
Lychee's good.
You go, brother.
On ya.
Hey.
My wife's got a few of these like different ones for the gym and stuff that give you the buzz, but natural.
Yeah.
And then she's got some just rehydration ones. And like, I had that at work at like, say 12 o'clock. So I've had first break, next break, I've had a coffee. I'm gonna have a coffee, but I just need something to pull me through and I don't want water. This stuff's just good.
It's good, eh? Yeah, I love it.
Refreshing.
It is good, eh?
Coconutty.
Yep.
Everything you want in a beverage. On a cold, warmish, sunny winter day in Queensland.
They are pretty cold, aren't they? Yes.
Oh, boat loaders, yeah, that's right.
To give you a bit of a rundown, if you don't know this GE Patrol already, or you haven't seen it before, we are rocking the full air suspension front and rear, so that's removing the coil springs and adding the rolling sleeve style airbags in there. We've got a, what is it, a 2-inch lift, Fox remote res lift shocks.
3 height auto leveling.
Yep, 3 preset height auto leveling system, tire inflation, the works. Now this car is pretty well loaded. We've got a heap of gear in the back. There's bar work, all sorts of things. So
fridge,
with your conventional, with your conventional coil springs, you will have a bit of a sag there, but these airbags are maintaining a safe level ride height at all times, and we get to maximize the full wheel travel on these off-road tracks. So down here we'll be coming across some wombat holes, and we'll get the GoPro underneath there so you can see these airbags really flex. They perform beautifully, don't they? It's been a treat, this one. We're just lacking a bit of power in the car, in the 3 litre.
Unfortunately.
But it's working a treat, so enjoy the rest of this action. We would just like to say a massive thank you to everyone supporting the channel. Make sure you drop a like and a comment on the video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Jacob reckons if we get 10,000 likes, he's giving away the Gladiator. So get on there.
You're dreaming, aren't you? I thought it was the Ram.
No.
How sunny is it? Anyway, enjoy the rest of the episode. There we go, another hill done and dusted. That was pretty sick. Very steep. And now we're on to the next one, which is over there. This one just looks like it's shorter.
No, go that way.
Straight up there.
Yeah.
Tyres, eh?
You make it?
Come on, mate. It's Jacob driving this time.
Yeah, boy. Hooked it up, no trouble.
I'm just kidding, Ben.
That made me feel really insecure.
Which way are we going? They've just dogged us. They've dogged us out in the bush. Come on. Oh yeah! Get in, son!
I wasn't prepared for you putting your foot down then.
You just got to give it a bit of welly, mate. A Bit of welly.
George of the jungles.
Watch out for that tree. Yeah, boy. Cheers, Jamie, for the guide there, mate. Legend.
No worries.
All a good bit of fun. Gotta love this stuff. And as I say, go the landing.
That was absolutely epic. We're pretty much over that area there. Right over in the hills there. Doing some mad hill climbs. It was insane. Absolutely loved it. Getting the rigs all set up now for a photo, I think. And then we'll go and make our way through a subtropical canopy on the way back to camp where we can pack up and head home. So what an awesome time. Make sure you check out the full episode on Built for Off-Road's channel. Link will be in the description. Enjoy yourself. Stay tuned for plenty more.